He says, I'm learning Arabic grammar. There's a mindset which is wrong.
So they enter Arabic as if it's a math subject. Rules first, charts first, i'rab first, terms first. And what happens is that they feel like Arabic is too hard. They quit before they even say a basic sentence. But Arabic, at its core, it's not grammar. Arabic is a language, and a language is something you build as a skill, not something you solve like an exam. You don't need to understand every rule to start communicating. You need to start acquiring words first, using them, and then building a real ability inside of you, your tongue, a trait that is part of you now. Is rasikh عندك, is thabit, is part of you. That's why the scholars, when they speak about the language, they speak about two things: vocabulary and the laws or qawaneen, or the rules that organize vocabulary, that puts together in a sentence to make sense of that vocabulary. Not the terms first, the qawaid, the principles first, then maybe words later. And that brings me to the quote that proves this phenomenon that I'm saying, by a scholar from hundreds of years ago, considered as a Arabic language scholar. Now, this scholar, his name is Ibn Sida al-Andalusi. He was one of the scholars from Al-Andalus, and he's considered a scholar in the Arabic language. He has his own dictionary, and he is one of the references when it comes to the Arabic language, the classical Arabic language found in the Quran and the Sunnah. He says, اللسان ليس مقصورا على اللسان والعرب فحسب بل هو حد شامل له ولكل لسان وهو ضربان أحدهما حفظ الألفاظ الدالة لكل لسان وما يدل عليه لشيء منها وذلك كقولنا طويل قصير عامل عالم جاهل. والثاني, and the second thing, والثاني في علم قوانين تلك الألفاظ ومعنى القوانين أقاويل جامعة تنحصر في كل واحد منها أشياء كثيرة مما تشتمل عليه تلك الطريقة حتى يأتي على جميع الأشياء التي هي مصوغة للعلم بها أو على أكثرها. وابن سيدة هو أول من استعمل كلمة اللسانيات كما ورد في مقدمة المحكم. So he says, language is not limited to Arabic alone. As in the knowledge of how to learn a language is not limited to Arabic alone, but rather it is a universal concept that applies to all languages. And this is something that, obviously when we come to many of our students at Anders Institute, for example, learning the Arabic language is the second language that they are learning. They know two languages now.